Hi, this is the Samsung Galaxy F54 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to do that, we should press and hold the power key button for a few seconds. So, if you want to use the power key button to turn off the device, you should just open the settings, then just go back. Here find advanced features and tap to side button. Switch, press and hold Wake Bixby to power off menu. Now let's press and hold the power key. We can see here the power off menu. Just tap to power off icon. Wait a couple of seconds and after the vibration we could see that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.